Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, where you come for the crypto neo news, education, opportunities, and macro updates. My name is Lucas.
And my name is Ryan.
And we've got some opportunities. Of course, one of the things we love covering in blockchain and crypto are these things that they call airdrops. And airdrops are opportunities that really help grow crypto communities in a novel way. And it's a marketing tool that really focuses on those people who are involved in blockchain and crypto that vote, that participate. It's trying to focus bringing new energy to those who will actually take that crypto and that energy and add value and participate and be involved. And so airdrops basically, and this is a good example, the one we're going to show here, the airdrop that we're talking about, of course, the IBC we mention a lot and will continue to mention because often the airdrop opportunities, unlike those that are more isolated, like on Ethereum or on Avalanche, you may have a project that launches that will do an airdrop to certain members. But often here in the IBC, you find a lot of inter-chain, inter-blockchain communal support of reaching outside of just one blockchain and trying to bring active members from others, and this is a good example of this Gelotto blockchain that you found.
Yep, definitely. One of the things I'll mention as far as the cross-chain nature of this is that not only are you being rewarded for staking on other chains, but there's also a validator they're going to launch on Stargaze. So there's another element to this cross-chain nature of this project.
Very cool. And you can see the delegations, the requirements here. So it wasn't just Cosmos Atom, which tends to be the biggest airdrop crypto for the IBC, the original IBC chain. You've got Osmosis, like you mentioned, Stars, Secret, Juno, and Neta. So they were offering this airdrop to stakers and supporters of different communities in the IBC. And this is just one example. Now, we're going to leave a link to all these sites. This is educational, entertainment information. We've mentioned Cosmos airdrops before. It's a way you can see all of the upcoming, all of the previous, all of the current airdrops, the free crypto that's distributed. To see if you're eligible, you can check in here. You can hook up your wallet and you can see it. Now, you found another website that does this as well, that focuses on Atom. Might as well.
Yes, that's right.
Too.
Cosmospug.com. You can check them out, and you see there's a large list of IBC projects that they follow the airdrops. You can check them out by status, whether they're claimable now or confirmed, or is it just a rumor. And yeah, it's a very complete source for following these airdrops. So I definitely bookmark it and give them a look.
We'll add this to our list of Cosmos airdrop sites that we continue to check and share. So we've got these two. Now let's get into it. This is not saying go out and buy Gelotto. This is just saying what's being built, what it is, and how it operates. Really, one of the main things is to bring this new airdrop site and how to stay aware of the latest developments in Cosmos and Atom. But that being said, although I myself am not into gambling and gambling-based casino-type online games and gaming, gambling is a big thing. It's worldwide, and historically there have been problems in centralized gambling platforms where there's been scams and people don't know. There's not auditing. People don't know the math and that goes behind the scenes.
It's proprietary.
And so when we're moving to blockchain and we're moving to crypto, we're also moving to protocols that are built on more transparency, that are often audited and are there to prove fairness. And so that's
right. And that's the spirit of this project, is a smart contract based gaming platform where you can see the code, see what's going on under the hood, and at least be confident that you're not being taken advantage of unfairly.
And this is to be its own blockchain in the IBC, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Purchasing
Here's the white paper. We'll have all this below.
mega jackpot,
Um,
purchasing lottery tickets. And as you mentioned,
yep.
so let's say you're not into gambling and you're not desiring to play in any of these casino type games, but like you said, right now in modern gambling, because the house always wins. It's the odds are set up for the house to win.
Yeah.
And here there are people who can potentially support or be a part of the chain without gambling, and that is
Right.
still
Yeah, you can stake when you stake your gelato, you are staking as the house. So you're going to get a share of those rewards, right? And if the games are structured such that the house tends to win, then that's a pretty safe way to play this.
so you may not earn those big huge jackpot winnings that the other people are taking high risk and gunning for, but if you're supporting the network by staking, then you could earn more than the average validator distribution for staking. I guess it will distribute a lot of the winnings,
Right.
games played, to the stakers, and they're also randomly giving NFT awards to stakers on the chain. Is that something?
I remember. Well, I don't know about that, but there is a part or a part on their website where they talk about G key, which is another token. I
Yeah.
want to say this is probably the governance token,
Uh-huh.
and that will be airdropped over the next few, I think, on a monthly basis to people who are holding gelato.
Maybe
So
holding it, not even required to stake it. So if they're just holding it, that's interesting.
yeah,
Really,
yeah. I don't think staking is out. I want to say staking is not yet available. I'm looking at the roadmap,
sure.
and so yeah, Q3 will be beginning the monthly airdrop of this rare secondary asset, G key, and then in Q4 they're going to introduce the ability to stake gelato tokens to act as the house, and they're going to also create a validator on Juno in Q4. So yeah, multiple validators on different chains, and yeah, lots of cool stuff. The roadmap is thick. They've got a lot planned. There's a multiplayer poker game coming out in 2023. So lots of cool things here.
We'll leave the links to all these articles below as well. This looks like it goes into pretty good detail. The grand prizes for Gelato: a chance to win 10 to 100 Bitcoin playing games on the Juno blockchain. So,
yeah. So Juno and a validator on Stargaze as well. It's definitely interesting. And should we do a walkthrough on the airdrop, or how do you feel about that?
we like to do tutorials and walkthroughs, so let's go for it. Let's give it a go. Let's see if we can make it happen.
All right.
Where is that airdrop? Right there. So click on the airdrop. Of course, we also have a video on Kepler wallet and making sure that, hold on one second, let me move this, make sure I can
I enjoyed this airdrop because we were able to verify all these different positions really easily. It was pretty smooth from what I recall. So we'll see how it goes on your end.
check if you qualify. Is that what's done first, or should I just be able to go right to it? Let me see, where's the button?
No, you want to check if you, that's what you want to do.
Okay, let's check. Let's see what happens here. And of course, if you don't have a Kepler wallet, which is the MetaMask of the IBC, we have a video on that, how to start your crypto journey.
Right.
So give that a look if you're ready to get started in crypto. Now's a
and
great.
Always read these permissions on, when you're doing this on your own, because there are times when a site could be wrong, or you could have there could be a bug.
The project could be, this could be a project we don't know who's behind it. Is this a little iffy, and was it set up?
Right.
So
just see what kind of permissions you're giving to make sure it's what you're intending to do.
All right.
So there you go. Yeah.
I checked it out. It said that I qualify. So if I click claim, we'll see how it's.
And that neta, that 0.5 neta, you know, whole, that's not even staked neta, that's just neta that it's being held.
Uh,
That is the biggest part of the airdrop, if you see.
oh, oh, what on the requirements right here?
Yeah, yeah. See how much of the airdrop is connected to the neta? It's 10,000, almost 11,000 gelato, you know, whereas the others are like 2,000, 1,000.
Right. Very cool. And we know Neta was built off of was the airdrop that came through Juno. So this is very
Yeah,
Juno community, Juno network oriented. So there's your
right,
live example. And what's why we like to do this is just to show you every time how easy and fun. It's like when people were first learning about email and is how do I send a message? Just hit send. Boom, it's gone.
right.
And we're
Yeah,
finding Web 3.0 is the same way. How do you interact with your Web 3.0 wallet that you saved your password and you wrote your key phrase down? You just click, you know, these are the icons, these are the buttons that you click to interact. And what's also very neat about blockchain, we're in this decentralized network where anyone can build these applications. And because all of this information is on the blockchain, you look how easy it is for some group somewhere in the world to say, hey, you know what? We're going to reward stars members, osmosis, secret,
right,
you know, Atom, and we're going to make it smart contract to where when their wallet connects, it's automatically going to read everything that they have. And it's all automated. It's all
right.
secure. It's all done on the chain. So this is
Well, it
really
helps you, it
efficiency
helps.
and speed.
What more efficient way would you have to get your product in the eyes and in the wallets of the people that would be the most likely to use it without using, you know, an airdrop based on a blockchain, you know, participation? It's really, it's a, you know, I don't want to reduce it to marketing because it's more than that, but in terms of solving a marketing problem of, you know, getting your advertisement in front of the people that would care, it is a shortcut, you know, in a way that's really efficient.
I think we've covered most of this. I mean, Gelotto's still young. It's a gaming,
Yep.
gambling, luck-based blockchain, and who knows? Maybe they'll be bringing these kinds of luck-based services to other blockchains or other applications that want to tap in to their randomization, to their protocol, like we've seen with Secret Network providing privacy as a service on the IBC. So
Right.
we'll see that other applications may choose to take advantage of Gelotto's algorithm. And I think we pretty much covered everything we wanted. We covered the new airdrop website, so make sure you bookmark that
Yep.
if you want to stay up on the latest. We did a tutorial walkthrough on claiming the airdrop. That went very smooth and easy. And
Yeah, one of the smoother that I've seen, really.
that's one of the cool things about the IBC in general, and a lot of the airdrops that they continue to offer is you see a lot of cross-chain success. I'm refreshing this page real quick on the way out just to show everyone again. We like to show the map of zones. Why? Because in the world of blockchain, when you're trying to bridge communities together, bridges can often break. Bridges can be fragile, but when
Right.
blockchains are built to the same language so that they don't need a bridge to go to the other side, then you
You're
can
reducing all kinds of risk, right?
absolutely you get rid of a lot of that risk. You're promoting safe, secure interoperability,
Yep.
and Gelato and the IBC from Juno and Atom and these others is this growing ecosystem. So here's something else to look out for and bookmark. And we've got more videos coming soon to talk about Axlar and what's going on with Cosmos and another
And
upgrade
shade.
and Shade.
Yep.
So if you like staying up to date on the latest airdrops, latest opportunities in crypto, the NEO, and of course, we've got macro updates coming too, because there's definitely more Fed rate hikes to be expected and more
Oh yeah, we'll be talking about it.
from that. We will be talking about it, and we will be dropping those vids right here. We've got playlists, so you know what to do. Subscribe, notification bell. We appreciate the love. If you know something else going on in crypto that looks really exciting, so much happening, we can only take in so much. So drop a comment and let us know, and maybe we'll take a look at it and research it and share that with others as well. So, you know, till the next
Yeah.
time, have a beautiful day. Namaste, y'all.
Thank you.